Video by CloudScope is a custom visual that allows you to embed and present video information right from within a web-based Power BI report. It's used to display and present one video at a time. It's ideal for use in detail pages where you're displaying information about a single company, employee, or some other entity. Let's take a look at how the custom visual works. It's actually quite simple to use. As you hover over the screen, you can see a menu appear that allows you to start, stop, or pause the video. Progress bar shows your current position, and you can also jump to a specific location within the video by clicking on that same progress bar. Looking at the options, we see that we have the ability to autoplay a video, and that allows us to start the video whenever we jump to a new record. And this is particularly useful as we jump around within Power BI. Let's take a look at how easy it is to configure Video by CloudScope. First, we can add the control onto the screen, and we'll drag some fields over for use within the custom control. The first thing we need to do is map those fields that we've added over to how they're intended to be used. So we add the title and the video URL, and once we've done that, the video appears. We can resize it to whatever we want. Now you can display and present video information right from within your Power BI reports as well. Thanks for watching.